First a bunch of flying saucers flew over. Then I smelled the burning metalry of Nova. Then the CIA and Jehovah said blame it on the Bossa Nova. Time is on my side, slime is on my tide. I ride my time slide all the time. I'm lazy. Mickey Mouse is watching from his well-known dial. He knows a myth is as good as a mile. The rescue party's probing through the smoking pile. Time capsules sure are different from time bombs. So I told everybody, come on over. If you got another Nova coming over, it's okay to bring the other Nova over. You can blame it on the Bossa Nova. Oh yeah. How did primitive man survive? Bounded by lust he couldn't count past 5. In the hustle to stay alive, he sidetracked. He put on clothing and an ordered mind, left his instincts all far behind. He dropped his rhythm and picked up time, and now he's out there looking for a ride back. Sometimes old, awful cold people Nova, sometimes Don Juans from Villanova, Nova. Square and round, flat and oval people Nova, they can all blame the Bossa Nova.